Welcome to Legit Tech, where we turn digital dreams into tangible reality. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best 3D printers of 2025, machines so advanced, they're blurring the line between imagination and creation. Whether you're a pro engineer prototyping futuristic designs, a hobbyist crafting intricate models, or an entrepreneur launching a small-scale manufacturing biz, these printers deliver blazing speeds, industrial-grade precision, and AI-powered error correction. From multi-material marvels to compact plug-and-play beasts, we've tested the best to help you print the future, today. Let's hit start on this revolution. For more information and update pricing, check the links in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Let's get started. Presented by the Legit Tech. Number 5. Original Prusa MK4S. The original Prusa MK4S is a refined version of the already excellent Formulawian Quatches, and it's a serious contender for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance 3D printer, whether you're a hobbyist, prototyper, or small business owner. With its all-metal frame, next-gen 32-bit X-Buddy motherboard, and sensorless auto-leveling system, the MK4S is built for precision and consistency. It features a fully automatic first-layer calibration process that makes it beginner-friendly while still satisfying experienced users with its customizable options. The addition of the load cell sensor means you get virtually perfect first layers, no manual Z-offset tuning needed. Print quality is outstanding thanks to the Prusa extruder, which provides consistent filament flow and supports a wide range of materials, from PLA to flexible TPU and PETG. The MK4S also boasts quiet operation due to Trinamic drivers and fan optimization, making it suitable even for shared or home office environments. It offers resume printing after a power loss, filament runout detection, and supports both SD card and USB connectivity. It's also compatible with Prusa Connect for remote monitoring and management. Backed by an active community and top-tier customer support, the MK4S is not just a tool, it's an ecosystem. Number 4. Creality K1C. The Creality K1C is a powerful Core XY 3D printer that brings speed, precision, and carbon fiber capability into a sleek, enclosed package. As an evolution of the original K1, the K1C steps up with notable upgrades, most importantly, its all-metal direct drive extruder and abrasion-resistant nozzle, making it ideal for printing carbon fiber-infused filaments like PACF, PETCF, and PLACF straight out of the box. It boasts blazing fast print speeds up to 600 mm per second, with acceleration hitting 20,000 mm/s superscript 2, meaning rapid prototyping is no longer a patience game. The K1C's fully enclosed chamber and active cooling ensure minimal warping and excellent layer adhesion, even with high-temp materials. It includes a dual air filtration system, a carbon filter for odor control, and a redesigned auxiliary cooling fan that contributes to smoother finishes. On the convenience side, the K1C features auto bed leveling, AI camera monitoring, and Creality OS with an intuitive touchscreen interface, allowing for smart control and remote printing through Creality Cloud. Plus, its rigid die-cast frame minimizes vibration, keeping prints accurate at high speeds. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo is one of the most exciting FDM 3D printer bundles of 2025, especially for creators looking to dive into multicolor or multi-material printing without breaking the bank. At its core, the Kobra 3 features a 300 by 300 by 300 mm build volume and a powerful direct drive extruder capable of handling everything from PLA to TPU with ease. But the real game-changer is the Anycubic Color Engine Pro, ACE Pro, that comes with the combo, allowing up to 8 filaments to be printed in a single model with seamless transitions. This combo system integrates surprisingly well, with smart software management that reduces stringing and waste during filament swaps. It also boasts a 32-bit silent mainboard, auto bed leveling with LeviQ 2.0, and smart UI control for intuitive operation. Print speeds up to 600 mm per second mean you're not waiting around for multicolor projects to finish, and thanks to the enclosed ACE Pro system, filament changes are clean and well organized. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3SE. The Creality Ender 3v3SE is a smart evolution of Creality's popular Ender series, designed to give beginners and hobbyists a reliable, user-friendly experience without sacrificing quality. It features a direct drive extruder that handles flexible filaments like TPU better than the Bowden setups of previous models, and comes with auto bed leveling, CR touch, and strain gauge-based Z-offset adjustment, which means you spend less time calibrating and more time printing. The 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume offers plenty of room for a wide range of prints, and thanks to its rigid dual Z-axis structure, layer lines are cleaner and more consistent even at higher speeds. Performance-wise, the Ender 3v3SE holds its own with print speeds up to 250 mm per second, a revamped UI, and reliable adhesion on its PC spring steel bed. Whether you're printing everyday parts, cosplay accessories, or miniatures, this machine delivers consistent results out of the box. For your YouTube audience, especially first-time buyers or anyone upgrading from a more basic printer, the V3SE is a fantastic value. It offers premium-level features at a budget-friendly price, wrapped in a design that's sleek, stable, and surprisingly quiet. If you're building a print farm or starting your 3D printing journey, the V3SE deserves a spot on your shortlist. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1. Number 1. The Bambu Lab A1 is redefining what entry-level 3D printers can offer. Known for their high-end X1 series, Bambu brings much of that premium innovation to the A1 at a more accessible price point. Right out of the box, the A1 impresses with features like fully automated calibration, active vibration compensation, and auto bed leveling, drastically reducing the typical setup headaches most beginners face. With a 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume and speeds of up to 500 mm per second, it's fast, precise, and incredibly smooth, even during complex prints. The sleek design and minimalist UI make it feel modern, while the open filament compatibility ensures flexibility for a wide range of projects. One of the standout features is the A1's compatibility with Bambu's AMS light system, which brings multicolor printing to the table, an almost unheard of feature at this level. The direct drive extruder handles TPU, PLA, and PETG with ease, while the advanced cooling system helps minimize warping and stringing. For your YouTube viewers who want high-speed, reliable printing with minimal tweaking, the Bambu Lab A1 is a game-changer. It's ideal for creators who value plug-and-play ease without compromising on performance or quality. Whether you're crafting cosplay, prototyping, or just exploring the 3D printing world, the A1 brings pro-level power to the desktop in a friendly, future-forward package. The most recent and biggest tech. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and advice. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for products you'd like us to review, please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to remain updated and see you in the next video. Foreign.